Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to prevent user from entering the past dates in Excel using data validation. So let's start. Here is my Excel sheet and here you can see I have a data, employees name list and tax deadline column. Okay, now I want to make sure that user can only enter the today's date or a future date in this column. So let's start. Simply select the cell range and go to the data tab. In data tools group, in data validation option, click on this drop down arrow, click on the first option. And here you can see the one dialog box open data validation. Click on the setting tab and here in validation criteria in allow, click on this drop down arrow and select the date. Okay. Then in start date, you just mention here the today. So I just enter here today function. And in a end date, you can leave the end date blank or set a future date limit if you want. Okay, so I'll leave the end date and click on OK. Okay, you must enter the both the end date or start date. Okay, just you can enter here the future dates. So I just enter here 01/12/2025. Okay, future date I enter here. Okay, then click on the OK. Okay. Now let's test it. Okay. If I try to enter the date before today, so I just enter here the before today. So to 1 May, matlab 1/5/2025. So currently is the June. I show you the calendar. See, 5 June is a today date. And this is the last month date, 1/5/2025. Okay, now just press the enter key and see the error issue. Microsoft Excel, this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for the cells. Okay, so that's is this is a way you can use the data validation for prevent the past date. Okay, and now I enter the today's date. So today's date is as 5/6. Okay, 5/6/2005. Okay, so I just enter 5/6/2025. Okay, and press the enter key. It's accepted. Same as I enter the any future date 057 next month date 2025 and press the enter. It's accepted. Okay, so this is the way you can prevent past date. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.